Welcome to Pydle Day 159. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is a potion. So there's a little black heart in the middle. So use the black heart emoji for that. And then have fun solving this Pydle. If you need to Pydle, if you want to look for a solution for previous days, then stick around, as I will now solve pile of 158, which was a wine bottle with Roman numerals for 1930 on there. So MCM XXX is 1930. Okay, so let's tackle the whites first. This is actually a nice one, just to look for normal patterns. So you can see there's a lot of symmetry around the y-axis. So I'm going to use Cartesian coordinates for x. So for x in range minus 2,3, and then y just normal. Okay, so let's do the whites first. So there's quite a nice symmetry there. So x, 0 and 4, well, that would be Pydle coordinates. Now we've got Cartesian, so we can say if absolute value of x equals 2. Okay, so I must remember to convert this back to Pydle coordinates. So that does the sides. And then I need an OR. Absolute value of x equals 1 and y less than 2. Okay, so there we've got the outline of the bottle. Now we're going to divide the remainder of the puzzle into 2 bits, the yellow and then the blue and the orange we're going to treat in the same statement. So now I can say if y less than 3. So that's going to be the blue and the orange. So we can, if we just did that, we've done the whole bit blue. So we need to say blue if y greater than 0, else orange. Many ways to express that. Okay, so that's the bottle top. Now for the bit with the label. So let's first do the color. So we can just say else. Okay, so color is going to be yellow. Okay, now for the Roman numerals. Okay, so I'm going to use a list, well, a nested list. Actually, no, just a list of the characters. So if we did MCM and XXX and the index, so first of all, we need the index for y. So we need that on line 3 and that on line 4. So we need to do y minus 3. Okay, so that's going to give us the right string for line 3 and line 4. And then what should x be? Okay, so we can either do x we can convert, so do x plus, so yeah, x is 0 there, so and then minus 1, so we should say x plus 1. But there's also another trick. If you just say x, so what's going to happen? If x is minus 1, then it's going to take the last character, then x0, first one, x1, the middle one. Okay, so what does our string need to look like? Our string actually needs to be CMM. Okay, so to see if that makes sense. So when x is minus 1, it's going to take the last character, which is m, and then 0 is going to take the first one, and 1 is going to take the second one. Okay, so it looks a bit strange. I only did that just to kind of demonstrate the way Python indexing of lists work. Okay, so I think that should solve the Pydle, and it does. Okay, and then copy that. 180 characters. It's not bad for kind of the elaborate solution, which I tend to post because it's helpful for kind of people learning Python. If you want to do kind of the bitwise solutions, then have a look on Reddit. That's really smart. Okay, but try and stay up to date with the daily Pydle. So try and solve today's Pydle, which is a potion. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.